Today we will show you how to make a picture, your phone's background, on an iPhone. So first, go to your photo album, which mine is the top right corner of my screen, and find the picture you'd like to make your background. So I'm going to use this picture. This is one of our Maker Monday crafts that we did recently. So in the bottom left, there's a little box with an arrow. I'm going to select that and then scroll down until I see the option to use as wallpaper. So I'll click that. So now you can kind of subtly adjust the placement of the photo by moving it around the screen. You can also zoom out or in. So I'll take the time to make that look the way I want it to now. So that's what I've got. So once you're happy with it, you can select Set. And you'll get the option to set it as a lock screen or your home screen. So the lock screen is what you see before you put the password in your phone. And the home screen is what you'll see that's actually behind your apps. Or you could set it as both. So I'm going to select mine to say I want it as the home screen. And now if I get out of my photos here, you'll see that it's the background behind my apps. So you've now changed the background on your phone.